The digital product market is booming with over 2 billion buyers globally and a projected $415 billion market by 2030. But here's what most people get wrong. They try to invent ideas from scratch instead of building products around what people are already buying. So instead of letting you wonder what should I even sell, I'm going to show you exactly what people are purchasing every day. Stuff you could build in a weekend even if you're starting from zero. This one obviously is a no-brainer. Everyone's using ChatGPT, but few know how to use it well. People want better prompts, faster workflows, and ready-made AI content, which is why prompt bundles and AI content kits are selling like crazy. Take the Reddit user who made $14,000 from prompt packs on their website, or Digital Boutique NZ that has over 11,000 sales on Etsy doing approximately $58,000. Easy to make, easy to scale. 100 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners. Instagram caption generator kit. AI bio plus hook generator. And here's exactly how to make it. Go to ChatGPT and prompt like, I want to make an XYZ prompt pack on your chosen topic. Drop the outputs into Canva and format as a clean PDF. Upload to Superprofile or Etsy and a short demo reel. By the way, here's my free 500 prompt guide for you linked in the description. It's no question that the green lifestyle is no longer just trendy, it's commercial. People want to buy their way into sustainable habits. Eco habit trackers, zero waste guides, and sustainability checklists are selling well on Etsy. Even niche planners like eco-friendly spring decor have hundreds of sales. Mac, a 25-year-old Etsy seller, earned £52,000 selling budgeting planners and eco-printables. Again, easy to make and easy to scale. Here's what you can make and sell in this niche. 30-day low waste challenge, eco-friendly weekly meal planner, sustainable home starter guides, and here's how to make it. Use ChatGPT to list sustainable swaps, meal ideas, or tips. Design it in Canva using green themed templates. Use Unsplash for free plant or nature images and export and upload to Etsy or your link in bio shop. People are paying for clean, aesthetic eco habits. You just have to package it. Next, again, is a no-brainer: social media content kits. Faceless reels, Canva carousels, content calendars. These are flying off the shelves on Etsy. Andrew Pixel has made more than 21,000 sales, earning over $300,000 in digital content kits. Easy to make and super easy to scale. Here's what you can make and sell. 30 Hook First Reels templates, Carousel Starter Kit for coaches, Story Prompt Bank for creators. To make it, simply use ChatGPT to write hooks, captions, and post ideas. Design visuals in Canva, make them editable for templates, bundle 20 to 50 templates, export as a PDF plus a Canva ring. This trend is easy to niche fitness, coaching, artists. You can resell the same format 10 different ways. I know you already know this, the wellness market is huge and buyers want digital tools. The shop Counselor Cronin has over 276,000 sales, estimated over $1.1 million through self-care printables. Easy to make, easy to scale. Here's what you can make for your business. 5-minute morning journal, anxious mind habit tracker, therapy-inspired gratitude log. To make it, go to ChatGPT and ask for journaling prompts and daily affirmations. Use Canva to create printable workbooks or build a Notion version for a digital-only product. Upload it to your store with soft, clean branding. Now, if you're a mom, you already know the value of this, and something that is more valuable and the value is increasing by the day means it is more profitable. Remote learning is not slowing down. In fact, parents are choosing to homeschool their kids so that they can stay connected while delivering the best of education. So it wouldn't be wrong to say parents are spending. The Weekly Crew has over 100,000 sales, making $540,000 with homeschool templates and trackers, including report cards and lesson plans. Here's what you can make and sell. Printable weekly homeschool schedule, Catholic homeschool curriculum guide, multiplication flashcard packs. here's how easy it is to make. Use ChatGPT to outline lesson plans, subjects, and prompts. Build in Canva or Google Docs. Create versions for different age groups or formats. List on Etsy or bundle inside your own store. And finally, crypto and personal finance tools. Finance is always trending, but especially now as people look for clarity and control. Riki Tiki Art has over 150,000 sales, making approximately 600,000 via crypto guides, trading journals, and budget templates, all converting well. I know you need a little relevant knowledge, but it is super easy to scale and super profitable. Here's what you can create and sell. Crypto Starter Guide 2026 edition. Budget Planner for freelancers. Personal Finance Tracker Notion edition. Use ChatGPT to simplify crypto concepts. Use Google Sheets or Notion to build trackers. Use Canva for visual polish. Bundle with 1 or 2 bonus PDFs for more perceived value. This tool requires clarity and has high price potential. People pay more for finance tools that reduce overwhelm. If you are building digital products in 2026, these are the waves to ride. It's not about being early, it's about showing up in the right place with the right product before the market gets crowded. Start small, use free tools, build something simple that solves a real need, and get it out there. If you want help choosing your niche, building your product, and making that first sale, I help creators every day inside the Low Ticket Life. Everything you need is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.